just dealing with some fine weather until these storms arrive. Super Doppler 8, one cell southwest of Storm Lake, a severe cell north of Missouri Valley. The main impact with that is some large hail. This cell had a warning on it. We're continuing to watch it northwest of Ida Grove, headed to Holstein, moving due east right now. Again, not warned at this time. Then the cell just crossing the Missouri River. This cell has produced some large hail. Matter of fact, here's hail tracker earlier when it was in Nebraska, and the hail size there was over 3 inches. So big hail a possibility tonight, especially with the storms that develop a little bit earlier. The tornado watch in effect until midnight. Notice it includes the metro all the way down into southern Iowa and extending up in through the Twin Cities. And here's our line of showers and thunderstorms we're watching right now to the west. They are moving out ahead of a cold front. They'll slide across the state, 10 o'clock, slicing through the metro, dropping and weakening in southeastern Iowa around 3 a.m. Wednesday. And then Wednesday looks dry and actually looks to be a pretty nice day across the state. A northwest breeze blowing, but at least it should be rain free. How about we take you outside right now? It's a gorgeous day, and for most of us, there's a fine evening ahead. 81 degrees, dew point 68. The problem is the winds. They are gusty out of the south-southwest at about 20, and you can see the wind field here. Here's your cold front right now up in northwestern Iowa, and that'll move across the state. So for the metro, the evening dry. It is more likely around 9 o'clock, maybe a bit sooner, when our showers and thunderstorms will arrive and push into our area. Rain tracker, these storms in many spots should move through fairly quickly, so the general rain out there less than an inch, but I would not be surprised if a few spots pick up a bit more. You see the computer model putting a bit more over in Audubon. So it's going to be scattered. Who gets underneath the heavier rain amounts will probably pick up an inch, but most spots less. Storm impacts. I think the storms initially, large hail potential out there. Not a great risk for flash flooding. Wind damage, that could progress as the night goes along. And obviously, we're in a tornado watch. We'll have to keep an eye on these storms for rotation. Tonight, storms likely, some of these strong to severe, 60 degrees. West winds eventually in behind the front. Tomorrow, a quiet day out there. Pleasant, less humid, 75 degrees with a northwest breeze. 8-day forecast again, Wednesday, Thursday, looking outstanding out there. But unfortunately, rain returns. It looks like it'll pick up on Friday, possibly Saturday morning, and then some more storms Sunday into Monday, and then slowly drying out next week. It's a bit of a temperature roller coaster.